who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back?
So, I'm going to be unboxing the Rainbow High Winter Break Poppy doll. And this is a different box. I've never gotten this kind of box before, so this is weird. I love that little coat. Oh my god. Eee. So cute. I love like her monarch butterfly theme. It's so cute. But here she is. Hopefully we can open this girl faster. Let's see. I should really do a timer and just see how long it takes to open a Rainbow High doll. We're doing it. See how fast I can do this. And I will pause it when I stop to talk about stuff. Okay, so I paused our stopwatch. Here is the little extra outfit. I love this plaid shirt. I'm definitely gonna have to use that in another outfit for someone, something. I love this little peach colored dress, and I love this little fluff on here too. Here's the dress, and then let's see what the shirt looks like, because I know they always have like a shirt under their little dresses. That's kind of a cute little t-shirt. Again, that one's cropped. And then her boots. These boots are so cute. I don't know if the one she has on are ice skates or not. But these boots are so cute. They're like little moon boots. Love those. Love the little laces on the front. Too cute. Okay, so now we have to do the back. My least favorite part. Pause. Here are the skis. That's cute. It says for flying. Those will be really cute to display. I don't know, like I said, if I'm gonna have them wear them or just, you know, kind of have them some sort of way. I think displaying it like that would be super cute somehow. That's what they look like, the monarch wings. The bottom is just black. So they like threaded her little bangs all the way down to her skirt, like they're sewn into her skirt. That's kind of weird. Legs are free. Okay, now they got one around her neck. Now we just have harder to get out. We got the back of her head, it looks like. I don't even see what she's being held by in here.
What the? It is like 95 degrees outside and some guy is jogging in a snow cap. What are you doing?
Getting the head off is the hardest part, apparently. It's gonna drive me nuts. Maybe I could use this razor. Okay, or not, or cut my finger. That was great.
5 minutes later.
Yeah, that hurt. Be careful when opening these, you guys. Okay, so here she is. Again, I love the painted fingernails. I think all Rainbow High nails should be painted. Where do we start? I want to start off with her hair. The pigtails are fine, but like, they feel like dreadlocks, you know what I mean? Like, they look fine, but I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna fix those or what I'm gonna do with those. I'm definitely gonna fix these because those look stupid, especially this one. That one did not curl very well. So I'm definitely gonna fix those because, no, unacceptable. I love her little knee highs. Those are super cute. Her ice skates have little butterflies on them, little fuzzies on the top part. Love those. I don't know if the earmuffs are like permanently on or whatever, but the earrings are on the earmuffs, which I thought was odd. They do come off easily. Well, that one did. Okay, there we go. So that's the earmuffs. Those earmuffs are extremely soft. She does have earring holes, which I don't know why you would just put the earring in her ear, not on the earmuff. By the way, it took like 14 minutes to unbox one Rainbow High doll. So it is attached. So there's the little earmuffs. So they're so cute. Here's her without anything on her head. The gel in the other dolls sometimes doesn't bother me because it's curled nicely, but these are, I don't know, they just don't look that great to me. You know what I mean? So I definitely think I'm going to wash these. Because they just look like dreadlocks. It looks like a giant dingleberry. Like, I don't know. Is that just me? I feel like that's not just me. I'm gonna put the earrings in. I don't even know if I like these earrings. So that's her with the earrings in the ears. I don't know how much I like those earrings. They're like really big. They're really big earrings. I don't think I'm gonna keep them in her ears. I don't even know if I'm gonna keep them on the earmuffs because it just seems weird to me. But anyway, moving on from her hair and the earmuffs. Her makeup is very cute. Again, her face has like the purplish blue shimmer all over. And she does have the blush. She has some light orange eyeshadow and glitter around her eyes. I like her lip color also. Then for the outfit, her little jacket, like I said, I love this little jacket, it's too cute. I probably will definitely keep this jacket on her. And that zipper looks real, it looks like it would zip, but it actually doesn't. It just opens from the back. Does she have anything on under this? Does she have a shirt on under there? Okay, she has no clothes on under this jacket. That's interesting. But I mean, she does have a whole other outfit, obviously. Little fur hood on the back is not pure white. It's actually like a very, very light yellow color. That's pretty cute. On the jacket, there's these little butterfly zippers on the pockets, the little butterfly belt, the rainbow high zipper, and then the black striped bottom. I love that outfit. Let's put the boots on her. I don't know, I just don't like the ice skates that much. Maybe I won't like the boots on her that much. We will see. Oh, these shoes are hard to get on than my daughter's shoes. So these skis do go on really well with the boots and they just stay there. So cute. I am going to be fixing Poppy's hair. I'll probably update with some pictures or something on my Instagram. I already fixed the winter break Jade's hair. I just used hot water and brushed it and just kind of let the gel like dissolve kind of. I think that's what I'm going to do with her because I can't with that. This one looks okay, but this one, So yeah, if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure to do that so you can see any pictures that I might post. And I will see you guys later. Bye!